So yeah, now where-arg method. So I think already we see, right? So how to declare where-arg method? What is the declaration of where-arg method? Okay, it should be type dot dot dot. Okay, space variable name. Okay, so that is the where-arg method declaration, guys. So now, so second one, next point. We can mix. Okay, we can mix where-arg parameter with we can fix where-arg parameter with normal parameter, guys. Normal parameter in where-arg method. Where-arg method. Okay. What is that? Okay. So example. Let me take some example. What is the method, guys? Yesterday we have taken. Which method we have taken, guys? Yesterday. Something called, right?
Test.
Tell me the method name here. What is the method name we have taken yesterday?
Test.
Huh? Which method we have taken yesterday? Example also we have taken, right?
Get total collection.
Get total collection. Let me open Eclipse ID. Unnecessarily, we are wasting first 15 minutes here. So 8 o'clock means sharp 8 o'clock, you guys has to join. Okay, which one? Get total collection per day. This is the method, right? We have taken. Now, so let's suppose if you take this method, okay, any method, guys, okay, you need to take this one, any method. Example, get total collection per day. So here what we are doing, okay, so what is the above point? We can mix where-arg parameter with normal parameter in where-arg method, right? So means actually what is the where-arg parameter, guys? Okay, normal parameter. Let me take something called, okay, int, okay, int something collection. Okay, let's suppose in day one collection. This is one variable. So along with that, what I can take? Where-arg parameter. Understand, guys? If you see now, so I'm taking, okay, I'm creating one where-arg method, okay, with normal parameter value and along with that where-arg parameter value also. Okay, so how can we call this method? How can I call this method then? How can I call that method? We can call get total collection. Okay, by using object reference, we will call. Okay. Next, enter day one collection. Let's suppose, okay, total day one collection 2,500. Example. Okay, and after that, I have now what is another parameter? This is the first parameter, right?
Yes.
Day one collection 2,500. After that, what it is?
Where-arg
parameter. So where-arg parameter means what? I can add any number of values. So after that, let's suppose day 2 collection this one. Okay. Day 4 collection is them. Okay. Understand, guys? So like this we can take. So and so like this. Okay. Like this we can take, guys. Understand? Etc. Like this we can take any number of parameters. So we can mix, okay, where-arg parameter with normal parameter, guys. Okay. But if you mix where-arg parameter with normal parameter, we have to remember one thing. So let's suppose I'm taking the same method. Okay. Here I'm writing int where-arg parameter. Okay, builds. Okay. And after that, if I take int day one collection, sorry, int day one collection. Okay. Understand? This is invalid, guys. Okay. We will get compile time error. Okay. So So why? See here, see if you see this method, how can you call this method? How can you call this method? By using like this, right? By using object reference.
Yeah.
Okay. Object reference. Just I'm giving guys object reference dot something, this method name,
Okay.
right? So now see how this second parameter taking value we cannot pass, right? Because what? Int dot bits. This is what? Where are the parameter? Where are the parameters means what? We
Number
can
of
send any number of int values. Now all these int values, right? 2500, 3000, 4000, 5000. Which parameter it will take? The first parameter
First
it will
one.
take. Okay. So the second parameter it won't take. Understand? If you declare the second parameter at last, okay, if you declare a hierarchy parameter as first, okay, we cannot pass argument value to the second parameter. Okay. Get total collection per day. So this is the method. So if you call this method, we cannot pass argument value to this parameter. So that's what when you declare, when you, okay, when you mix var parameter with normal parameter, okay, always, okay, var parameter should be end. Okay, guys. Otherwise, what we will get? Compile time error we will get. Okay, should be end. This is the point we have to remember.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So
Yeah.
here, which one is valid?
First one is good.
First one is valid, guys. This one is valid. Okay. This one is what? Invalid. Invalid means what, guys? Compile time error.
Compile time
Okay.
error.
Invalid. When I'm writing invalid means we have to remember. Error, some error, compile time error like that. Okay. Come on. So now, not only in type, right? Okay. If you can take anything, let's suppose, let me take the same method. Okay. Here, I'm creating a method, guys. Here. Okay. How to create a method? Here, I'm writing normal method name, but you know, right? To declare a method.
Yes.
Prototype of the method. Access modifier should be there. Return type should be there. Right? After that,
Yeah.
method name. Okay, guys. But here I'm writing just method name only. I'm writing.
Method
Don't think this is the method. I mean, don't think this is the way to declare a method. Okay, guys. I think already people know how to create a method, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So just normally I'm writing just a method name I'm writing. But before method name, you have to put access modifier and return type also. Yeah. Now, so here method name. Okay. Now let's suppose, so where are the method? What is the rule you have to follow in order to mix where are parameter with normal parameter? What I need to write first? Come on. First is normal parameter, right? Always
normal.
where are the parameter should be end. First of all, I have to take normal parameter. Let's suppose I am taking normal parameter string. Okay. Owner name. Owner name means what? Online shop owner name. Shop owner name. Okay. Shop owner name. Or else, okay. Yeah. Shop owner name. Shop owner name is what? Owner name. This is the first parameter. After that, what I need to take? The collections. Everyday collections. Okay. Everyday collections. Everyday collections. Okay. This is the method. Like this also we can take. Okay. So now how to call this method, guys? How can I call this method? How can I call this method? By using object
Object.
and dot method name. Here what I need to do? First of all, which one? Shop owner name, right? Shop owner name. Let's suppose, let me take okay, Vignesh. Okay? Vignesh is what? Shop owner name. After that, what? These are the what? everyday collections. Okay, first day, okay, first day you got 2,500, second day 3,000, third day 4,000, fourth day 5,000. Okay, 5,000. So these are the what? His collections. Is it valid or invalid? Come on, guys. Valid. Okay. So why valid? Because always the var parameter should be declared and, guys. Okay. The last parameter should be what? var. Come on. And one more thing. I'm writing same method. I'm writing same method here. Method declaration, right? Here I'm taking int. Okay, let's suppose give me something. Okay, int x. Okay, so here string y. Okay, is it valid? Is it valid or invalid?
Valid.
Not,
Invalid. Okay,
not
this is
valid.
also not invalid. Okay, so if you declare a method, okay, var method, in the var method, only one var parameter should be allowed, guys. Remember, okay? Let me write that point. In var method, declaration, at a time, we can declare only one var parameter. Okay, we cannot declare multiple var parameters. Okay, guys, multiple var parameters. Otherwise, what we will get compile time error. Okay, at a time only one var parameter, okay, should be allowed in the var method. Remember all these points. Okay, so in exam sake, in interview sake, these are very, very, very important, guys. Understand? Okay, so now let me write one example, guys. Okay, let me write one example. Okay, so let me go with our Eclipse IDE. This is a method, right? Okay, I don't want to disturb this one. Okay, let me create another class. Where is the project var method demo? This is the right. Here, let me create one more class, guys. The default package. New Java class. Right. So here, let me write var. Okay, var method something. Okay, this is the class name. The public static void main string also I'm giving. Okay, so now, so here, what I'm writing, let me write one method. Okay, public static. Okay, come on. So we have to tell the method name. When I'm asking, creating a method means you have to tell public static void. Okay, void. Yeah. What is the method name? What is the method name? Total collections. Okay, total collections. This is the method name, right? Get total collections, not per day. Let me remove per day. Just get total collections. That is the method I'm taking. Okay, so now here what I'm taking, okay, some parameter I'm taking int, okay, int
First day.
okay, int collection. That's it. Okay, so this is the what? Okay, something called, let me write system.s out also, let me write. Okay, here what it is, say what kind of method is normal method. Okay, normal method or general method, like that. Okay, so now here, so what I'm taking one more method, guys. Okay, so public static void. Okay, so same thing, get total
Collection.
collections. Get total collections method I'm taking. So this time I'm taking where are parameter. Okay, where are parameter I'm taking. Okay, okay, so here what I'm taking is shout control space. Okay, this is what where are parameter.
Method.
Where are method, sorry, where are method.
Right.
Right, where are method. Okay, this is what where are method. Someone is joining. Where are method I'm taking, guys. Okay, so now, okay, now public static void main method I have. Okay, public static void main method I have. So now I'm calling this method. Okay, how can I call these methods, guys? Tell me what kind of methods.
Class name dot
What kind of methods, guys, these are? Come on,
static.
unmute yourself and tell me. So how
Static
Vignesh is
method.
telling, why you guys are not telling, guys?
Static
Like you guys
methods.
also has to tell, right? See, if you tell, then only the subject will be registered in your mind. Okay. Don't be like lazy, guys. Come on. What kind of methods these are?
Static
Static.
method.
So static methods, how can we call, guys?
Class name dot
Okay.
Class name.
Class name, by using class name you have to call. See, anyway we can call within the class, we can call directly, or if you want we can call by using object reference also. But what is the recommended one? By using class name, right? By using class name. So what is the class name here? Where are method. In the class I no need to use even class name also, directly also I can call. Come on, guys, already we discussed. Okay, no need to discuss again. See here, which method? Get total. See,
get total collection.
when you add where are method class name dot, see, automatically it is showing. Because these are the methods we can call. Why these are the methods we can call? These are the static methods. Come on, guys. Okay, now get total, which one? Collections. Okay, I'm calling this method, guys. Okay, now I'm calling again. Okay, where are method? It should be something like, okay. So now I'm calling this method, and after that I'm calling get total collections. Here I'm giving something called 1000, comma 2000, comma 3000. I'm giving. Okay, guys, I'm giving, and the same method I'm calling where arg method. Where arg method dot get collections. I'm just giving 1000. How many types of methods we can have in a class?
Two methods.
Two methods.
Static and instance.
Static methods and instance method. How can we differentiate static methods and instance method?
Using static keyword.
Static keyword. If you have a static keyword, then that method is static method. If you don't have static keyword, means that method is what? Instance method.
Instance method.
How can we call instance method? By using object reference. How can we call static methods? By using class name.
Class name.
Okay, we can call by using object reference also. But what is the recommended way? By using class name.
Class name.
Okay. Here tell me how many methods we have created? 3 methods we have. Okay.
Yes,
what kind of methods we have? Static methods.
Static.
All are static methods. Okay. So here where arg method dot, this one. From where execution, Saiteja, from where execution will start, Saiteja?
Main methods.
Main method. So JVM call this main method when you execute this class, right? Now what is the first statement here? What is the first statement?
Where arg method get
Where arg method dot get total collections, right? What we are doing? We are calling get total collection method, right? So this is what? This is what, guys? 1 minute, Vignesh. I'm asking Sai Teja. Come on, tell me, Sai Teja. What is this one?
static variable.
Huh?
Static variable.
Static variable. What is this
Class
one?
name, sir.
Class name. Yeah. So class name dot get total collection. Why get total collection is which kind of method it is? Static method. How can we call static methods? By using class name.
Class name.
Understand? So that's what by using class name I'm calling this get total collections. Okay. So here how many methods we have? 2 methods we have. See the signature of 2 methods, get total collections. Here also get total collections. But already we have to remember one thing. In Java, tell me guys, in Java, we have to tell something here. No.
Zero.
See, this is also same name. This is also same name. Can we have same
Parameters
name?
should be different.
No.
Or
I'm
either
asking. No, Shweta. So can we have 2 names? We cannot
No,
have,
sir.
right?
no,
But
sir.
here see method name, method signature you have to see. Okay, not method names. Okay. So in Java, if you consider methods means what? Okay. 2 methods. Okay. We should not have same kind of signature. Understand? Here what we need to consider? Method signature. What is the method signature here? Method name
Parameter.
plus parameters. Okay. So here what is the method name? Get total collections. What is the parameter here? Only one parameter, that is int parameter. Fine. Now this is what? Signature of the method. This is what? Signature of the method. Come on, yesterday we discussed, guys. Okay. Method name with parameters is called what? Signature of the method. Okay. In Java, okay, duplicate signature methods are not allowed. Duplicate signature methods are not allowed. Now, if you see this method, what is the method name? Same method name. Get total collections. Now, when you come to parameter, how many parameters these are? How many parameters these are?
Number of
parameter. This is not one parameter, guys. Come on. That is the where arg method, right? Number of parameters. Now, definitely this method signature and this method signature unique or different?
different.
Different. So we can have different method signatures, right?
Yeah.
Come on.
Right.
So that's what we did not get any compile time error. Okay. Now, if I see the same, if I write the same method, okay, instead of collection variable name, if you can take any variable name, guys. Okay. You can take any variable name. See what we are getting here? Compile time error. Why? Here this method signature and this method signature are same. Okay, we cannot have duplicate method signatures in Java. Understand now?
Yes.
Okay, here 2 methods I have. Okay, Saiteja, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Yeah, 2 methods we have. So how to call this get total collection method? By using class name. So that's what I'm calling. Here, how many parameters I'm passing? How to call this method? Tell me. How to call this method? We need to pass some parameter, right? We need to pass some parameter, right? Come on. What is the parameter here? Int collection. To call this method, I need to pass some argument value. So yesterday already we discussed what is the parameter and argument. Okay? Come on, guys. Everyone. So this is what? Parameter. So these are what? Arguments. Okay? That is the terminology. Remember, guys. So to call this method, okay, so method name we have to put, and after that what it is? It is asking some parameters. It is asking some parameters. So to parameters, what we need to pass? Some value we need to pass. Argument value we need to pass. Here am I passing any argument value here?
No.
No. Now tell me what is which method it will execute?
Second method.
This method it will execute or this method will execute? Which method will execute?
Second method.
Why second method?
Zero argument also applicable.
Yes, that's what we have to remember. Excellent, Vignesh. So where arg method will get executed, guys. Here, what is the answer? Where arg method. System.out.println. What we are printing? Where arg method.
Where are method?
Okay. So here, what is the output when you call this method? Where arg method is the output. Understand? Now, come on, tell me. This method, when you
Second
call this
method.
method,
Where are method?
where arg method only. Why?
Multiple
Here, how many parameters we are passing? 3 parameters we are passing.
parameters.
Okay. To represent multiple argument value. So which method we have?
Where are method?
Where arg method. Okay. If you see this method, how many parameters we can pass at a time? Only one parameter. I mean, one argument value to this parameter. Understand? But here we can pass multiple argument value because here what? Multiple parameters. Where arg parameter means, right? So here where arg method will get execute. Okay. Now tell me for this method, which method will execute, Sai Teja? For this one?
No.
Normal methods.
Normal method will execute. Understand? Normal method will get executed. This is very, very important, guys. Okay. Let me run. Come on. Getting right? Where arg method, normal method. Okay. Come on, everyone. Can you see the console? Output here.
Yes.
Okay. Understand? Everyone. So here, see, if you see this class, okay, if you see this class, so here, okay, 1000 I'm passing. Where arg method get total collection? 1000 I'm passing. Why normal method executed here, guys?
A single.
Get total collection here, which one? Even the where arg method also can take it, right? Come on.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Where arg method also can take it, right? So why the normal method is executing here?
Because single
Understand?
argument.
Yeah.
So always, okay, always here, if you pass one value, single argument value, first of all, it will verify. Is there any method which is taking only one parameter, If such method is available, then that method will get priority, guys. Okay. If such method is not available, then only where arg method will get priority. Here, what is the where arg method priority? Least priority, guys. Understand? If no method is matched with that argument value, then only where arg method will get chance to execute. Clear? Everyone.
Yeah.
So if you write normal method and where arg method, which method will get priority? Okay, whenever the people will ask, you have to tell where arg method always will get least priority. Okay, if that argument value, if any matched method is available, okay, then that method will get chance first to execute. Okay, if no method match, then only where arg method will get chance to execute. Okay, understand? So that's what here 1000. Which value? One argument value we are passing. So to represent this one argument value, do we have any method which is taking one parameter? Yes. Which method it is? This one. Okay. Here, which parameter we have? How many parameters we have? Only one parameter we have.
Only one
Okay.
parameter.
So now this is what happily this method will execute. Understand? Now, if this method is not available, then which method will execute? Where arg parameter will execute. Understand? Now, already this method is available. Then who will get first priority? This method will get first priority. Okay? If the particular method is not there, then only where arg method will get priority, guys. Okay? Remember this one. This is also very, very important, guys. Okay? What is the point? In general, or all else. Okay, that means in general, where are parameters, right? Based method will get least priority.
Least priority.
Least priority.
Priority.
Okay, if no other, okay, least priority, no other method matched, okay, then only where are, come on, where are method will get the priority to execute. Understand? Clear, everyone?
Yes,
Okay. Now, come on. Now we'll go for another route. Okay. So another route. What is another route? Okay. So let me take here. Wherever one dimensional, okay. So we need to take var parameter and one dimension, guys. Here, what we need to take. Why is it taking this one? Come on. So now here def between okay var arg, okay, so var arg parameter as single dimensional array, okay, single dimensional array, guys, like that I'm writing. Okay, 1D means what? One dimensional array. Okay, single dimensional array. See, so here what is the first step? You know? Okay, var arg parameter and one dimensional array. Okay, so whenever we have one dimensional array, okay, we can replace with var arg parameters. Yeah, difference between var arg parameter and one dimensional array. Okay, so here whenever we have one dimensional array present, we can replace with var arg parameter. Already we discussed, right? So var arg parameter means what? Internally every var arg parameter internally convert into what? One dimensional array. Remember, guys?
Yes.
Every var arg parameter internally converted into what? One dimensional array. Okay. So now here we are taking. Okay. So whenever one dimensional array present, we can replace with var arg parameter. Okay. What is the first point here? So whenever okay, one dimensional array present, okay, we can happily replace with var arg parameter. So what did it mean? Let's suppose we have let me take one example here. Here, let's suppose we have a method, guys. Which method, guys? What is the method name? No. Control Z. What is the method name here?
Total collection.
Something, get total
Get
collections,
total.
right? Get total collections we have. So the same way I'm taking this method, get total collections. Okay. In the get total collections, sorry. Yeah. In the get total collections method, okay. So I'm taking, okay, fine. Get total collection method. So here, let's suppose, okay, int array arg, collections, right? This is the variable name. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay, variable name, guys. Here, collections means what? Variable name. This is not the collection topic.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
We have collections topic in core Java. This is not at all collections topic. It's a variable name. Okay, let me take total collections. Otherwise, okay, variable name, guys. Int array total collections. So like this, I have. Okay, I created a one method get total collections. What is the parameter, guys? Here, single dimensional int array. Come on, everyone.
Yes,
So now I can, okay, I can take, so int array arguments we have, right? Instead of that, I can take directly, how can I take? Int,
Dot
total
Collections.
collections. Understand? So you can replace, okay? So in one dimension, in the present of single dimensional array, we can replace with what? Var parameter. Whenever one dimensional array present, we can happily replace with var parameter. Understand? We can happily replace with what? Var parameter. So what is the parameter here? Single dimensional array. So single dimensional array, we can happily replace with what? Var parameter. Understand? We will see. Don't worry. So what is the second step here? Vice versa is not possible, guys. So what is the vice versa? Whenever, whenever, where are parameter is present, okay, we cannot, we cannot, come on, we cannot replace with one dimensional array. Understand? Vice versa is not possible, guys. Understand the second point? Means what? Let's suppose example. Example, the same thing if you take get total collection method here, let's suppose where are parameter we have. Where are parameter? What is the total collections? So this is what? Where are parameter. So this where are method, this parameter I'm talking, right? We cannot replace with
Single dimension.
single dimension total collections, right? So like that, we cannot replace, guys. Okay, the first one, this is valid. This is valid, but this is not valid. Okay, why? Okay, let me see the examples here. So, okay, let me write something, guys. Okay, let me take here. Here I'm taking something. Okay, for examples. Okay, so here, let me write something here. What is the first one I'm taking? What is the method name here? Get total collections. Get total collections. Let's suppose here I'm taking which one? Total collection, right? Total collections. So this is the method, guys. Assume, okay? This is the method here. So now here I'm taking the same. Which one? Get total
collection.
Here what I'm taking? Single dimension array. Int array, total collections. Guys, understand what I'm doing here?
Yeah.
Come on, guys, understanding or not?
Yes.
Yeah, understand.
Okay. So now, so like this we have, guys. This is what? This is one method. This is another method. Like this we have two methods. Okay, this is method declarations, guys. Okay. See, when I'm taking int parameter types here, that method, this is what? Method declaration. Okay. So what is the how to declare method declaration? Remember, okay, access modifier return type also should be there. But here I'm not writing. Okay. That's it. So now, how to call this method, guys? How many ways we can call this method? Come on, tell me. The first one. How many ways we can call this method? Come on, tell me. How many ways we can call? Get total collection. Object reference, ignore, guys. Okay. Anyway, by using object reference only we can call instance method. But I'm not putting any object reference here. Just I'm writing method name. How can we call method name? Here.
Parameter.
Okay. Here. Can I call like this? New int array. Okay. New int array collections 1000, 2000. Let's suppose 3000. Can I call like this?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Is it valid or invalid?
Valid, sir.
Valid. Okay. So now it's the same way. Okay. Here I'm calling new int array of, here I'm passing only 2 parameters. Is it valid?
Valid.
Come on,
Valid,
guys.
sir.
Valid.
Can I call or not? Everyone, not
Yes,
only
sir.
Sweta and Vignesh, remaining people.
It's valid.
Everyone understand or not? If you're not understanding, please let me know. I will explain. Don't keep quite calm. So why I'm calling? Why I should call? I can call this one. So here what I'm
Multiple
saying?
arguments.
Where argument? This is what is the parameter here? What is the parameter here?
Number of
Where arg parameter?
Collection.
What it is? Where arg parameter, right? So where arg parameter internally converted into what?
single dimensional array.
Dimension.
Single dimension array. Okay. So internally convert to single dimension array means, tell me this where arg parameter, how it will convert into single dimension array? Int array, right? Total collection, like this. Int array total collections. We have right here parameter. Int array total collections. We have right here parameter. So like this where arg parameter internally converted into single dimension array. Okay. So now to call this single dimension array, so we can call by using this one, we can call like this is what? Anonymous array. Come on. What is this one, guys? Anonymous array.
Anonymous array.
Okay, remember we discussed it, right? Anonymous arrays. So
Yes,
this
sir.
one also what? Anonymous array.
Anonymous array.
Here we are passing three argument values. Here we are passing two values. Okay, valid or not? Valid. Come on, guys, valid or not?
Valid.
Okay, so now. Now, here we cannot. Okay, let me do here. Next one. Tell me this one. Okay, get total collections. Okay, I'm calling this one like this. Valid or invalid?
Valid. Valid.
No, this one. Valid or invalid?
Valid.
Now this one. Valid or invalid?
Valid.
This one. Valid or invalid?
Valid.
Valid.
Understand, right?
Yeah.
So this is where arg method. So where arg method means if you want, you can call that parameter by passing single dimension anonymous array also. Okay. Or else you can call that method by passing zero argument value also. This one, guys. See here what? We're passing zero argument value, right? Remember where arg parameter rules.
Yes, sir.
So if you want, you can call that method simply by passing argument values, int argument values, right? Integer values. Like this also you can pass. So like this you can pass, and even one parameter values also you can pass. Okay. All these by using all these method calls, this where arg parameter, where arg method can take. Understand?
Yeah.
Everyone. Now come to this one, guys. Now tell me the first one. What is the first one? Total collections. Total collections. Here what I'm doing? New int array of, okay. Here I'm passing 1000, 2000, 3000. Is it valid or invalid?
Valid.
Come on, guys. Valid or invalid?
Valid.
Valid. Right? What about remaining people? Valid or
Yes,
invalid?
sir. Valid.
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 Okay. So what is the parameter here? Single dimension array. Okay. To pass that single dimension array argument value, what we need to pass? We need to pass array only. Array object only we need to pass. Right? Int array. Int array means what? Array. Right? So to represent that one, what we need to pass? Array object we need to pass. Which dimension array object we need to pass? Single dimension array we have to. Why? This declaration itself, it is what? Single dimension array. Come on. Okay, guys?
Okay.
So that's what here I'm creating one single dimension array object, new int array, and I'm passing some values. Okay, happily we can call this method. Okay, I think already in Eclipse also I show you guys, right? Now, come on, next one. Now get total collections here. Okay, come on, tell me this one. The same thing, guys. In new int array, 1000, 2000. Is it valid or invalid?
Valid.
It's
Valid, sir.
Valid, right? Now, the same method, second method. Get total collections. Just I'm calling this method. Valid or invalid? What I'm passing argument value?
No.
I'm not passing any argument value
Nothing.
here. Zero argument value. But what is the parameter type here? Single dimensional array. How can it take? Come on, guys. Huh?
It will not take, sir.
It will not take, right? At least what we need to pass?
Then
What we
that
need to pass?
new int of null.
Even null values also you have to pass, right? What type of argument it is? What type of variable it is? Reference type variable, right? Int array, total
Yeah,
collection. Int array means what? Reference type variable. So what are the default value for reference variable?
Null.
Null value, right? At least you have to pass null. Next one. Tell me this one. I'm passing this one. I'm calling. I'm passing like this. 2000 and 3000. Tell me, is it valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Valid.
Invalid. Why here? What I'm passing? Just integral literals I'm passing.
Yeah.
But what I need to pass?
Reference.
Array object I need to pass. Come on, guys. Understand?
Yeah.
Sir.
Hello. So now here I'm passing 1000 and 2000. Is it valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Invalid. Right. Get something same method. Right? Here I'm passing only one argument value. Valid or invalid?
Invalid.
Invalid. Okay? Understand? Now, everyone. See the first, the above statement. What I have written. Understand now?
Come on.
Come on, guys. Understand why I have written this
Yes,
statement?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Whenever one dimensional array present, we can happily replace with vararg parameter. Understand? Why? When I place vararg parameter, so one dimensional array means what? These are the things, right? By using these, we can call one dimensional array. I mean, right? Array object. Right? Come on. So these two are valid,
Yes.
right? So if I
Yes,
put
sir.
here one dimensional array, these two are valid. See here, these two are valid or not?
Valid.
Okay. Because what? Here I'm taking one dimensional array parameter. Okay. These two are valid. Now, if I replace this one dimensional array into this vararg parameter, even though these two are valid or not?
Yeah, valid.
These two are valid or not? Valid, right?
Valid.
Because what? If every vararg parameter internally convert into what? Single dimensional array.
single down.
So that's what these two also valid. Okay. But now, so this one also valid. Even we can call vararg parameter, okay, by passing zero argument values also. Right? This one also valid. Even this one also valid. Even this one also valid. Even this one also valid. So whenever one dimensional array present, we can happily replace with vararg parameter. This is true or not? True, right?
Yeah, true.
Now come to second one. Whenever vararg parameter present, we cannot replace with one dimensional array. Understand? So
Yeah.
these methods, so we cannot call, right? If you declare single dimensional array as a method, as parameter, one dimensional array as a parameter for this method, so we cannot call these four, right? We cannot pass these values, right? To call this method. Come on.
Yes, sir.
So that's why whenever vararg parameter is present, we cannot replace with one dimensional array. Vice versa is not possible. Understand now?
Yeah.
Okay. The last topic in vararg method. So now tell me. Here I have one example. Let's suppose I have a method M1. Okay. I have a method M1. Okay. So here I'm passing, or else let me take our okay. method name only, get total collections. Okay. Here, int array of what? Total collection, right? Total collections. This is the method name, right? So this is the vararg method we have. So we can call this method by passing a group of int values, right? And this total collections will become is what? One-dimensional int array. Okay. Group of int values means what? Group of int values means what? One-dimensional array only, right?
Yeah.
Come on. Come on, guys. Understand?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We can call this method. We can call this method by passing what? By passing group of one-dimensional int array. One-dimensional group of int values, right? Group of int values. Come on. And this total collections is what? Total collections, okay, will okay, will become what? One-dimensional int array. Int array. Okay, one-dimensional int array. Right? How it will convert internally? Like this, right? Int. Like this only it will convert, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we can call this method by passing group of int values, and total collections will become what? One-dimensional int array. Okay. How can we call? Here you see, like this we can call, right?
Yes.
This one.
Good.
Okay, this is what? Array object. Single dimensional array object. Now, come on. Now, if you take this example. Okay. Now, same method I'm taking. Get total collections. Here, I'm taking int array. See, int array vararg parameter. Okay. Total collections. Understand? Total collections. Now, to call this method, what we need to pass?
Yeah, int array value.
We can call. We can
Call this method by passing group of int array
by passing group of
int array value.
one single dimension int array values. Understand?
Yeah.
Int single dimension int arrays, right? Int array values. Okay. Or else single dimension int arrays. Okay. Single dimension int arrays. And here, okay. And here total. Total which one? Total collections. Total collections. Total collections will become what? Total collection will become what? Two-dimension. Come on, guys. Two-dimension int array. Understand or not? How it would be internally? How it will convert this vararg parameter? Like this, it will convert. Not getting a?
No, sir.
Okay. Here, see. If you see the first example, here what? Get total collections int total collections. This is the method name. Okay. To call this method, how can we do? What we can pass? We can call this method by passing group of int values. Group of int values means what? One single dimension array. Come on. Group of int values means what? single dimension array. We can call this method by passing single dimension array, right?
Yes, sir.
That's clear, everyone?
Yes.
Clear, right? Here, see the above example, guys. Okay, this is what hierarchy parameter. So here we are calling this method by passing single dimension int array, right? Int array object, new int of 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, like that. Clear? This one.
Yes, sir.
So now come to the second one. Here what? Get total collections. What is the hierarchy parameter type here? Single dimension array type. Int single dimension array type dot total collections. Just correlate with the above one. To call the above one, we need to pass group of int values. Fine. Now, if you see this parameter, this method parameter, what is this parameter? Single type of array is the parameter. But dot means what? This is what? Multiple single dimension arrays values. Understand?
Yeah.
Here int dot here what you call means, I mean what it is, right? Hierarchy parameter, right? So this hierarchy parameter means what? We need to call this method by passing number
One
of int
dimension.
values. Number of int values. Okay, group of int values. Now, so what is this parameter type here? This hierarchy parameter type here, single dimension array. Come on. So to call this method, what we need to pass? Group of single dimension array objects we need to pass. Come on. So group of single dimension arrays means what? Arrays of array concept. To pass group of single dimension arrays means what? Two dimensional array. To represent that what it is? Two dimensional array, right? Come on, guys. To represent that what? Two dimensional array, right? Not getting us still?
No, sir.
1 minute. So now tell me. Come on. See the first one here. We have, right? How it will convert, guys? How it will convert? Tell me internally how it will convert.
One dimension array.
How it will convert? Int array, right? Int array total collections. Like that it will convert, right? This parameter.
Yeah.
This is clear?
Okay.
Everyone, this is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No. Come here. Now come here. Very simple, guys. Here nothing is there. Here what is the parameter now? Int array. Okay. Int array total collections. Int array total collections. Okay. How it will convert? So to hold multiple int array values. So what type of what type of array it should be? To hold
Single
multiple
dimension.
values, what type of array it should be? To hold multiple single dimension array, to hold multiple single dimension array, what should be the the parameter type, array type? Definitely it should be two-dimensional int array type. Understand? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is converted into int array, right? This is converted into what? Like this. Two-dimensional collections. Understand? Like this it will convert. 1 minute, guys. Now, example. Here, how to declare two-dimensional array, guys? Int array. This is the one, right? Let's suppose x is equal to come on, new int array.
Int of size.
Let's suppose 3. Okay, let me put 2, right? 2. Here I'm putting just empty. Okay, so means what happened when array object is created? What is the base size, guys? 2. What is the base size? 2, right? So now the other one is what? Empty. To represent other values, what I need to do? X of first one is 0,
X of 0 equals to
0 of 0, right? Huh? Come on, tell me, guys. Here, what will happen? Like this, it will happen, na?
Yeah.
One array object is created, huh? Huh.
Size is
Look, this is what 2. What is the represent value here? X.
X.
X is pointing to this one, right? This object,
Yeah.
array object. Okay. Now this is what is the index of 0.
0.
What is the index? This one, 1.
1.
0, 1. Right. Now it's what you have, what I'm doing here? X of X of 0.
0.
X of 0. Here what I'm doing? New.
No.
One more single dimension array I have to create, right?
Yeah.
New int of what? 2 I'm creating. Let's suppose. New int of 2. What happened now? Come on, let me write other one also. X of 1. X of 1, right? Next. For X of 1 also I'm creating another array, right?
Yeah.
2. Like this only we have to create, right? Now what happened? One more array object is created. What is the size here? 2. Here also. What happened? Right. So one more array object is created here, and here also one more object is created. So what is the size here?
2, 0, 1.
2, right? Come on. Now this one is pointing to this one. This one is pointing to this one, right? This X is pointing to whom? This one. Come on, guys. This is what? X of 0.
0.
X of 0, this one, right? X of 0. This is what?
Except
X of 1. Okay, this is what? X of 0 of 0. X of 0 of 0, right? This is what? X of
0 of 1.
0 of 1. This one?
X1 of 0.
1 of 0.
1 of 1.
This is X of 1 of 1, right? Come on, guys, everyone. Okay. So like this, it will create, right? So to hold array objects, okay? To hold here what? This is also what? X of 0 is what? Single dimension array. This is X of 1 is what? Single dimension array. So we are sending, okay, multiple single dimension arrays. Okay? Multiple single dimension array. To hold this multiple single dimension array, what X should be?
2-dimensional.
2-dimensional array. Understand or not?
Yeah.
Come on, guys. Understanding or not? See here.
Sir.
So here, what is this X1? X is what? 2-dimensional array.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
2-dimensional array. X of 0 is what?
Single dimension.
Single dimensional array. X of 1 is what?
Single dimension.
Single dimensional array. So here what? X of 0 is one single dimensional array. X of 1 is one single dimensional array. Right? So this is how many single dimension, two single dimensional arrays we have. To hold multiple single dimensional array, what X should be?
2-dimensional.
2-dimensional array.
2-dimensional array.
Understand?
Yeah.
Now clear, everyone?
Okay.
Now clear, guys? So that's
Yes,
what
sir.
I'm doing here, guys. That's what I'm doing here. Okay? Now, okay. So, okay. Let me write example, guys. Then I think you will understand. Okay? Let me write here. This is the example we have taken, right? Let me write here one method. Okay, I'm writing one method. Now, which method you want me to write? Okay, let me write the same method. Public. Come on, public static. Okay, void. What is the method? Get total collections, right? Here I'm taking, okay, public static void get collections. Here I'm taking int, okay, in single dimension dot, okay, total collections. Understand?
Oh.
This is a method I have taken. Okay, guys. So now here, what I'm doing, I'm taking one for loop. Okay, here total collections is what, guys? Come on, total collections is what? 2-dimensional array, right? So in each 2-dimensional array, I need to, what do you call? Retrieve one by one. So here total collections hold what? What is the values? Single dimension array, right? Single dimension array. So that's what I need to take each value. What is the each value here? Single dimension. Come on, guys. Okay. Single D or else. Okay. Single dim. Okay, single dim value. Let me put some variable. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, single dim value. Now I want to print values, guys. Here sys out control space. What I mean to print? Okay,
Single dimension
single dim
value.
that is value, right? Value of, okay, just I want to print, okay, single dim value of them. I want to print something called 0. Understand?
Yeah.
Single dimension. Okay, just I want to print 0, guys. Okay, we'll see. Understand? Now,
Yeah.
how to call this method?
Where I
Oh, 2 dimensions we have, so that's what here. Okay, let me see here. Here, if you see, okay, we are getting compile time error because duplicate methods, right? Signature, not signature. So here I am calling get total collections. Okay, here don't know which method you have to call. Okay, so that's what it is asking. Let me uncomment this one. Okay, guys. Now tell me how to call this method, guys.
where are method not get total question.
Where are method? Where are method dot get total collections. This one, right? So here what do I need to pass?
New int.
Here what I need to pass?
Param.
Okay. What I need to pass?
Array
Multiple
values.
single dimension arrays I have to pass, right? How to pass anonymous array? Come on. Here I no need to create variable name, right? I need to create named array. Okay. Here what we need to do? Anonymous array. New int array. Here I'm passing 1000. Come on. 2000 for
Array.
1000. 2000. Okay. Like this I'm passing only 2. Fine. Okay. And what is that after that? Again one more single dimension array. Here I'm passing 3000, comma 4000. Come on, guys. Okay. Understand?
Yeah.
Now, if we see run as Java application, see what is the value I'm getting? 1000, 3000.
3000.
Understood why 3000 and 3000? In the for loop, what I'm doing here?
First,
First
What is the for loop here? Single dime value. Okay. Single dime value of 0. See here total collections, right? Total collections hold what? Two single diamond arrays. This is the one value. This is the another value. So what for loop will do? First for loop will take this one.
First value.
First value. Okay. The first single dim value points what? This first array. Right. Here system.out.println of single dim value of 0. Right. What is the x of 0? Here what is the 0? 0 and x. 1000.
1000.
So that's what 1000 is the output. Okay. So after that, what it will do? The second
Second
value.
array.
What is the second value? Second array. This is the second value. Okay. Now this single dim pointing to whom? This one. Here, what is the 0 index value?
3000.
3000. So that's what 3000 we are thinking. Understand, guys?
Yeah.
Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's not complex. It will confusion. That's it. Okay. It's not complex. You have to remember. Okay. So far, I mean, what do you call this hierarchy parameter? In single dimension hierarchy parameter, to call this single dimension hierarchy parameter, we need to pass single dimension int arrays, multiple single dimension int arrays. Okay. Understand? So
Yeah.
if you have only int type hierarchy parameter, to call this method what? Multiple group of int values we need to pass. Right? In the same way, to call single dimensional hierarchy parameter, okay, single dimension hierarchy parameter, we need to pass group of single dimension array objects. That's it. Here what? Group of int values we need to pass. Here what? Group of single dimension array objects we need to pass. Come on, guys.
Yes.
Okay. Understand? Now let me copy this one and here paste it. Example. Oh. See, these are very, very important, guys. Okay. So if you understand clearly, if you have any kind of requirement in real time, okay, you can happily correlate with this. Okay. Maybe there should be some requirement. Okay. You need to take this kind of method. You need to define this kind of method. Which kind of method? This kind of method. You may need to take. Okay. So that time, what we need to pass to call this method? Single dimension arrays only we can pass. Okay. Group of single dimension arrays we have to pass. Understand? Okay, guys.